Hello, Swan Market.
Quality is number one. I mean, you know, if you make sausage with good stuff, then you're going to have good sausage. The guy I bought this from, who's an 83-year-old German, he learned his butcher trade in Germany. He always says, taste is number one, quality is number two. You know, I mean, it's got to taste good. It doesn't matter what you make it out of. When you got good taste and you got good quality, then you got good sausage.
3 slices?
Yes.
It's coming up on 20 years that I've been here. It's important to like what you do. I love what I do. You know, making sausage is my thing. It's been a German meat market close to 95 years. If it's not broke, don't fix it, right? We've kind of stand the test of time and become a destination for people. Most people really enjoy it because they sit down with strangers and, you know, by the time they, you know, finish a half a liter or a liter of beer, they're becoming best friends.
Hey, steady Eddie, buddy. Quit jumping.
We have a very loyal customer following. When I first bought it, it was primarily old Germans.
Nein, ich spreche kein Deutsch.
And as the older ones are dying off, you see more and more of the young people trying to pick up these traditions.
It's my dad's birthday, and he loves this place.
You know, the first 5 to 10 years, we had some tough times, and that was when my children were smaller. You know, pretty much all of our funds, you know, went into just existing. Yeah, we had to fight for our business and go out and find it, and now, after 20 years, it kind of finds us. It's a family business, there's no question. You know, we take care of quite a few of our family members with this place. I think definitely I can see my children going through the earlier times that are maybe not quite so hard for them, just because of the success of our business here. See, I get teary-eyed up. I'm very proud of what we built, you know, and it's not just me, our whole family has helped to build this business to what it is. I would like to retire sometime. Probably will never totally retire. I'm sure I'll be, you know, if my kids do take it over, that I'll be in here pestering them most of the time. I don't see this place changing. I think this place is going to stay like it is. I don't plan on closing. Not until I close out.